Hey guys, my name is Maya Abdallah and I'm from the Saline High School Science Olympiad team, and today we're going to be talking about tectonic plates and their boundaries. So let's get into it.
First, we have the OREO, which represents the oceanic lithosphere. The lithosphere is the outermost layer of the crust. Next, we have the graham cracker, which represents the continental lithosphere. Finally, we have the whipped cream, which represents the magma under the crust. Tectonic plates move because of currents in the magma. Divergence is the motion when two plates move away from each other. Convergence is when two plates move towards each other.
Okay, so I put down my whipped cream, and like we said earlier, the whipped cream represents the magma under the crust. And then I took an Oreo and I cut it in half, and this is gonna represent the oceanic plates. And so I have two, and we're gonna do divergent. And like we said earlier, divergent is when the plates pull apart. So when I put them down and I pull them apart, you can see that there's a little peak that gets formed. And that in real life would be the land that's under the ocean, so the ocean floor. So that's how it gets created. So I smoothed out my whipped cream again, and next we're going to do an oceanic continental convergence. So we have our oceanic, our Oreo, and our continental, our graham cracker, and convergence, just like we said before, is when they push together. So I'm going to put them down on my whipped cream and push them together. And there is a little bit of resistance there. You're going to have to push a little hard because this is just a model. But as you can see, the graham cracker went on top of the Oreo. And that's because the continental is less dense than the oceanic, so therefore the oceanic goes below and the continental comes above. So we're going to be doing a continental for the next one. I'm using the same graham cracker that I used from before, so I'm going to place that one down. But with this graham cracker, I'm going to dip it in some water, and I'm only going to do the tip. So we're going to dip it in some water, and then I'm going to place it down on the whipped cream. Now, when I do the convergence and push it together, you can see how it folds and it creates this like peak. In real life, this would be how mountains are formed, and they would come up from that peak, and that's how mountains would be formed. Okay, and for our last one, we're gonna do a continental transform boundary. So we're gonna get our two graham crackers, and we're gonna place them side by side like this. And we're gonna push and slide. So when we push and slide, you'll see that a bunch of little graham cracker crumbs come out, and it gets a lot of crumbs in like the whipped cream. In real life, this would be represented by an earthquake, and this is how the crumbs would represent what would happen after the earthquake. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot from it, and now comes the fun part where you can eat your graham crackers and Oreos. Bye!